Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share you a very interesting technique which is known as EFT technique. It is also called emotional freedom technique. So basically what is EFT? EFT is a mechanism through which we can easily get rid of anxiety, stress or any uneasiness which is going on in your body through tapping various body parts. How we are going to do is we are going to tap various body parts and then we are going to say a particular statements. Example, we are going to get rid of any sort of stress which is currently going on. We will just say, even though I am suffering from stress currently, I truly and deeply love myself. So this would be our statement. So I will show you which are the points which you need to tap in order to get release of the stress. So we will start with the karate chopping point. That is the point. I'll show you the point. Point is located here, like at the outer edge of your palm. And we will tap here 7 times, either with our 2 fingers or you can use the thumb of the other palm. So how we are going to do, while tapping this position, we will say the statement 7 times. The statement is, even though I have stress and anxiety, I truly and deeply love myself. So we will tap here 7 times. Even though I have stress and anxiety, I truly and deeply love myself. Even though I have stress and anxiety, I truly and deeply love myself. Even though I have stress and anxiety, I truly and deeply love myself. Even though I have stress and anxiety, I truly and deeply love myself. Even though I have stress and anxiety, I truly and deeply love myself. Even though I have stress and anxiety, I truly and deeply love myself. Even though I have stress and anxiety, I truly and deeply love myself. Even though I have stress and anxiety, I truly and deeply love myself. Then we will go to the middle of the crown area and we will use a shorter statement. We will only say stress and anxiety and tap here 5 times. Stress and anxiety. Then middle of our eyebrows, we will say stress and anxiety and tap 5 times. Outer edge of our eye, stress and anxiety. Below our eyes, stress and anxiety and tap 5 times. Upper lip, stress and anxiety. Below the chin, stress and anxiety. Then collarbone area, stress and anxiety. Then we will tap below our armpit and we'll say stress and anxiety. Then we'll again go to the karate chopping point and we'll tap 5 times and we'll say stress and anxiety. This entire, so you, after completing this, just rate yourself that on a scale of, if you are on a scale of 9 to 10 previously, then how are you feeling now? So if you feel you need to repeat this, you can go ahead and repeat this. So let's do it another time. So we'll start with the karate chopping point and say the statement 7 times. Even though I have stress and anxiety, I truly and deeply love myself. Even though I have stress and anxiety, I truly and deeply love myself. Even though I have stress and anxiety, I truly and deeply love myself. Even though I have stress and anxiety, I truly and deeply love myself. Even though I have stress and anxiety, I truly and deeply love myself. Even though I have stress and anxiety, I truly and deeply love myself. Even though I have stress and anxiety, I truly and deeply love myself. Even though I have stress and anxiety, I truly and deeply love myself. Crown area, stress and anxiety. Middle of the eyebrows, stress and anxiety. Corner of the eyes, stress and anxiety. below the eyes, stress and anxiety, upper lip, stress and anxiety, middle of the chin, stress and anxiety, collarbone, stress and anxiety, below the armpit, stress and anxiety, and again the karate chopping points 5 times, stress and anxiety. So you can repeat this as many times as you want until your stress level is subsided. Do this regularly. You will definitely see some changes within a very shorter period of time. Thank you for listening to me, and please share your feedback after doing this. Thank you, and see you in the next video very soon. Bye bye.